Hi, my name's John. I have a Freedom locking pool in my backyard, and recently I came back from an extended trip to find that the matting heating system on that pool was breaking down to the point that the pool was getting consistently contaminated with black particles, at which point I phoned up James to ask his opinion, but suggested to get the same surface area that we go with the helical panels, which he has subsequently fitted. His installation crew were extremely efficient. They came down and removed the old system, cleaned up, installed the new panels, and I've been extremely happy since. We found them very efficient, the helical panels raising the water temperature up to a usable 28 degrees consistently, even in overcast conditions. And I'm expecting that our swimming period is going to extend well into April and May this year.